Taking a step forward starts with seeing where you are. Together, the OneTouch Reveal app and the OneTouch Verio Flex meter change the way you see your blood glucose. Let's get started. Before using the OneTouch Verio Flex meter to test blood glucose, carefully read the owner's booklet and inserts that come with the components of the system. For more information about the OneTouch Reveal mobile app, please download the user guide from our website. Getting the OneTouch Reveal mobile app. Step 1. On your compatible wireless device, visit our website and download the OneTouch Reveal mobile app from the App Store or Google Play links. Step 2. Locate the OneTouch Reveal mobile app and tap Install. That's all there is to it. Creating your OneTouch Reveal account. Step 1. Tap the app icon to open the OneTouch Reveal mobile app. Step 2. On first use, the app will prompt you to select the country where you live, then tap Next. Step 3. If you already have a OneTouch Reveal account, tap Log In and enter your username and password. Otherwise, create a new account by filling in your details. Confirm your selection for the checkbox and tap Create an account. Next, fill in your email address and password. Then tap Sign Up. You're now ready to pair your OneTouch Verio Flex meter with the app. Pairing the OneTouch Verio Flex meter with the OneTouch Reveal mobile app. Step 1. After creating an account, sign in to the mobile app. On first use, the app will prompt you to select your meter and pair it with the app. Turn your meter on by pressing and holding the OK button, then tap Continue. Ensure your meter's Bluetooth Smart feature is turned on by pressing OK and the up arrow at the same time until the Bluetooth icon appears. Tap Continue. Step 2. Locate your meter on the screen and ensure the serial number displayed in the app matches the one on the back of your meter. Tap Pair. Step 3. When prompted by the OneTouch Reveal mobile app, the meter will display a 6-digit PIN number. Enter the PIN number into your compatible wireless device using the keypad on your compatible wireless device and then tap Pair. Step 4. Wait for your compatible wireless device to indicate that your meter and compatible wireless device are paired. After syncing, the sync symbol will disappear. The syncing data message will disappear on the app, and the app will display any new blood glucose results sent from the meter. At any time, you can view your paired meter details or pair additional compatible meters. To access this feature, simply tap the More icon, then tap My Meters. Navigation. The home screen displays the main navigation menu. This easy-to-navigate menu provides a quick way for you to access all the major functions of the app. Tap the Home icon to return to the home screen. Tap the Share icon to share your data. And tap the Logbook icon to view your data. Your latest blood glucose result sent from the meter is displayed here. And tap the Patterns or Averages icons to view blood glucose readings that are part of a high or low pattern, or see your blood glucose average for 3 time spans. Tap the More icon from any screen to access additional features, including a full help menu for easy reference. Tracking events. Timeline. Tap the Home icon to see a timeline of important blood glucose events and activities. It also highlights when you have been repeatedly out of range, so you can consider different solutions for the future. Add new events by tapping the plus icon in the bottom right corner. Tracking events. Visual Logbook. Tap the Logbook icon. ColourSure technology transforms data into quick visual snapshots that allow you to dive into personalized dashboards that connect to your blood glucose with food, insulin, and activity. Entries with a curled edge indicate additional readings and/or information about the readings are available. Tap any event to view additional details. To add event details, tap any of the 4 icons near the bottom of the screen. You can add information about blood glucose readings, carbohydrates, insulin, and activity. You can also add a new event by tapping the plus icon in the middle right side of the logbook. The app now includes a day and week view for additional visualizations of your blood glucose, insulin, and carbs entries. Detecting patterns. Tap the Patterns icon. Patterns automatically detect high and low patterns for you, making it easier to use than a paper logbook. Tap on any pattern in the list to view additional details. Using the Averages tab, the app can help you monitor your overall blood sugar average for 3 time spans: 14, 30, or 90 days. The bottom of the Averages screen also displays the average number of tests per day and the number of readings included in the average for the time span you choose. Sharing data. See and share your progress report and readings with your family, friends, or your trusted care network. Tap the Share icon located in the top left of any screen throughout the app. On the Share screen, you can choose to share your last reading or share a report. When you select PDF, you can send a colorful progress report, including your key blood glucose summaries and the logbook for 14, 30, or 90 days. Want to know more? Call us today or visit us online and download the free OneTouch Reveal mobile app from the App Store or Google Play. OneTouch. Every touch is a step forward.